Hello and welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday, and we're still looking at how you can run your YouTube comments like a boss. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get noticed when creating comments rather than looking after your own comments on your videos. Because when you're commenting on somebody else's video, especially if it's a larger YouTuber, you're trying to get their attention, you want to get noticed, and you also want to get noticed by the other people in the discussion, then just writing boring plain text is just not going to cut it. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and show you how you can format your comments to look good, to stand out, and so you can get noticed in YouTube conversations. So I'll be showing you how to create bold, italicized and strike through comments, and so we'll choose this video to test on because I look particularly handsome. So I'm going to leave a test comment here. First of all, we're going to leave something that's bold. So to create a bold comment, we need to have an asterisk before and after the word. And then when we hit comment, we can see that absolutely is bolded as we planned. Secondly, we're going to do an italicized comment. So for that, we put an underscore before and after the word. And then when we hit comment, we see that the all is italicized. And then finally, we're going to do a strike through comment. And to do that, we put a dash or a hyphen, depending on where you are in the world, before and after the word we want to strike through. So when we click comment, the word second is struck through. And you can also do this with multiple words. You just need to make sure the special characters wrap the phrase and not the word. For example, when we hit comment here, the whole phrase that we wrapped in the asterisk is now bolded. Emojis, another great way to make your comments stand out. And if you'd like to see how to add emojis to your comments in more detail, then please click on this card. So I hope you found that useful, and you can click here for the rest of my playlist that will teach you how to run your comments like a boss. Also, don't forget to subscribe and you'll never miss another Quick Tip Tuesday. See you soon.